This product is over 30 years in the making. This is the next generation of the iconic Clarins Double Serum and the most innovative take yet on the worldwide bestseller. This new formula combines 22 plants with 5 molecules, making it an insanely powerful serum. It's a 2-in-1 serum with the perfect ratio of water-soluble and oil-soluble ingredients that literally mimic your skin's composition. But this newest generation has the power to change our skin's future. Did you know 85% of our aging has to do with lifestyle and environment, and only 15% has to do with genetics? This newest formulation targets that 85% of lifestyle aging. This is called epi-aging. Clarins created this product with its epi-aging defense technology that helps neutralize the visible effects of lifestyle aging from things like lack of sleep and poor diet. Of course, this product still has turmeric in it to address all signs of visible aging, but it also has so many other amazing ingredients in it to help visibly firm and plump, hydrate, boost your skin's radiance, and refine your pores in just 7 days. I love that it's suitable for all skin types, sensitive skin included. I've noticed my fine lines have improved so much, and when I use it, I get this immediate dewy glow. It's amazing. I am so excited to stock up on this. Double Serum is an icon, and this new formula is just no notes.